Hi, thanks for being in a new video. Let me tell you what I liked most and least about the Realme Note 50 after having tried it in case you want to buy it. So, as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Realme Note 50 without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which has been 2,999 pesos. On the screen, you see the reference price in dollars, although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. Definitely, this is a device that does not deserve to have the name Note. Let me tell you what I like best. It has IP54 as a level of water resistance. This, while not allowing you to be sure that you can submerge it in very deep levels of water, the truth of the matter is that in accidental spills or accidental drops in water that is not very deep, it is going to have a good chance of surviving. The design is nice, especially if you want a shield like you have an iPhone. The truth of the matter is that it looks a lot like the iPhone, obviously at a very quick glance. If you look closely, you'll immediately notice that it's not an iPhone. But the design could be one of the attractive points. The screen has 90 Hz. Although it is true that in this price range, almost all devices already have 90 Hz screens, but I don't find other nice reasons in this device. It also supports LDAC codec, so if you like high-resolution audio with wireless headphones, it can be an interesting option. It also takes good quality macro photos. Although I insist, it is not something so remarkable, since other devices with the main camera could also take good macro pictures, but something we have to rescue. And finally, it has all the sensors we could ask for. In this price range, other manufacturers don't put gyroscope in their devices, but this one does. So that's another point in its favor. But let's go with what I didn't like. The screen resolution is only HD. In the middle of the year, I think it is unacceptable that at this price they give us a screen with these characteristics. If it cost half this price, we could still accept it. It only has one microphone. Again, it's something we could only accept if it cost half this price. But for this price, it's definitely a shame that it only has one microphone. Portrait photography does not detect objects. And this is curious because they supposedly have a specific camera to improve portraits, but it doesn't. So it's definitely not a good device for photography. The backlit video recording is noticeable as it has very aggressive jumps. Focus is lost a lot. Obviously, it is a very simple device for this. The front camera only records in HD. In this price range and in the middle of the year, this camera should record in full HD. But the fact that it only has this resolution confirms to us that it is an exaggeratedly simple device that should cost half as much. It comes with Android 13 out of the box. Android 15 is about to be released, so we'd like it to come with Android 15 out of the box, but it's still outdated. The battery life fell short, especially when it comes to managing apps running in the background. It seems to be a very simple device that is not able to properly manage all this. Therefore, the duration remains very fair. No FM radio. At this price point, all devices have FM radio, so why doesn't Realme put FM radio on this device? Its charging time exceeded 3 hours. It is a device that charges exaggeratedly slow. It does not deserve to be a Realme. Realme is generally known for having spectacular charging powers, but this device looks like it's not from the Realme family. Plus, it's a pretty slow device, and with 4 GB of RAM, it won't allow for anything fluid when in reapplications, although Realme advertises as having 8 GB of RAM. But consider that it's 4 virtual gigabytes, which is really like saying useless RAM memory, which is useless. In short, I don't recommend this device at all, unless you find it at 1,500 pesos or something similar. For the moment, we have reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you know you can tell me about it, and see you next time.